So you're an indie artist that doesn't really make money from streaming. You're not playing shows and making money because of COVID. So maybe can you make money from NFTs? Bobby Borg here, your music business coach with short, no BS advice that can help you turn your passion for music into a more successful business. I recently spoke with Dan the Lost Boy about making more money with NFTs. Here's my question, and here's his answer.
So Dan the Lost Boy, a lot of musicians these days will pretty much put their music up on Spotify and then sit back and hope that maybe they get streams and maybe get some money from that. But you've actually stepped up and you found a whole new way to monetize your music in the Web3 world using NFTs. Please explain that to my audience.
For sure. So I was using kind of that archaic system of just putting up a song onto distribution, hoping for stream revenue, hoping to break that million mark and really get some juicy funds coming in. And I've since realized through Web3, there's whole different conduit to do it. I started making songs for NFT communities in the space and actually sold a few just for the song for more money than I'd ever made streaming income for any song I'd ever released. That kind of turned me on to the power of Web3 and NFTs and how they can serve me. So I since launched my own NFT collection called the Space Monkey Fight Club. So through this collection, you buy an avatar, which acts as a membership to our ongoing growing community, but you also get custom made for you audio. So our target audience and kind of customer avatar is business owners, people with websites and YouTube channels that are looking for some advertisement audio content, and they can get that with full commercial rights to kind of monetize it to the death and get whatever they want out of it, but also access to this community that is valuable for NFT knowledge and Web3 awareness. And it's also useful for artists if they're not, per se producers, they don't own rights to their music and they don't songwrite. They can get together, collaborate with me, create a song that ends up being an NFT and monetize it how they please, but also getting access to this community to learn how to do music and NFTs together for themselves going forward.
Okay, that sounds really, really cool. But can you show us what this actually community looks like in the Web3 kind of world?
I think the easiest way to access all of our content is through our website, which is www.projectlb52.com. And from there, I think the best place to start is with the avatars. So you can click buy now in the top shelf there, which will bring you to our official OpenSea collection. And it's the most secure way of getting there is going through our website. And once you're on our OpenSea page, you can see examples of all the space monkeys, the artwork, and you can find one that you hopefully relate to. And if you want to, go ahead and purchase one. If not, you can even just check out our Discord page. The links are all on the website. You can go through and check out the chat hub where we all hang out. There's lots of channels with resources and great people in there. So that's a great place to start if you want to see what the whole community and what our artwork and music NFTs look like.
If you want to learn more about how you can turn your passion for music into a more successful business, be sure to check out this video or the video linked in the description below.